A healthy colon is essential for overall wellness, as it plays a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination. Over time, factors like diet, stress, and lifestyle choices can lead to a buildup of toxins and waste in the colon. Fortunately, there are several effective home remedies you can use for natural colon cleansing. Here, we will explore 9 home remedies that can help promote colon health and improve your digestive system. 1. Water and hydration. Hydration is crucial for maintaining a healthy colon. Drinking plenty of water helps flush toxins out of your system, supports digestion, and prevents constipation. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water per day. You can also include herbal teas or infused water with lemon or cucumber for added benefits. Tip: start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon juice. This can stimulate digestion and kickstart your metabolism. 2. High-fiber foods. Incorporating high-fiber foods into your diet is one of the most effective ways to cleanse the colon naturally. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and helping to eliminate waste from your body. Foods rich in fiber include whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa, fruits, apples, pears, berries, vegetables, broccoli, carrots, leafy greens, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Tip: aim for at least 25-30 grams of fiber per day. Gradually increase your intake to avoid digestive discomfort. 3. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can improve gut health and enhance digestion. They help maintain a balanced intestinal flora, which is essential for a healthy colon. You can consume probiotics through yogurt. Look for live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods, kimchi, miso, tempeh. Tip: consider taking a probiotic supplement if you find it challenging to include enough probiotic-rich foods in your diet. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar (ACV) is known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to support digestion and detoxification. ACV may help stimulate digestive enzymes, promote regularity, and maintain pH balance in the gut. How to use: mix 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. You can also use ACV in salad dressings or as a marinade. Caution: always dilute ACV before consuming, as it is highly acidic and can damage tooth enamel if taken undiluted. 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is well known for its soothing properties, particularly for digestive health. Aloe vera juice can help reduce inflammation in the gut and promote regular bowel movements. How to use: drink about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of pure aloe vera juice daily. Ensure you choose a product that is free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. Tip: start with a small amount to see how your body reacts, as some people may experience digestive discomfort. 6. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is another excellent natural remedy for colon cleansing. It is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help detoxify the body and support liver function. Lemon juice can also promote hydration and stimulate digestion. How to use: squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. You can also add lemon juice to your meals for added flavor and health benefits. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It can help reduce bloating, gas, and discomfort while promoting healthy digestion. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit the colon. How to use: to make ginger tea, steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10-15 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for taste. Drink this tea daily to support digestion and colon health. 8. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a natural soluble fiber that can help cleanse the colon by absorbing water and forming a gel-like substance. This can promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. How to use: mix 1-2 tablespoons of psyllium husk in a glass of water or juice and drink it promptly. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day when consuming psyllium to avoid any digestive discomfort. Tip: consult with a healthcare professional before starting psyllium husk, especially if you have existing digestive issues. 9. Dietary changes. Making dietary changes can significantly impact colon health. Consider adopting a diet that is rich in whole, unprocessed foods and low in refined sugars and unhealthy fats. Focus on fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, fish, poultry, legumes, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds. Incorporate a variety of foods to ensure you receive a balanced intake of nutrients. Additionally, try to eliminate or reduce processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive caffeine, as they can contribute to digestive issues and hinder colon health. Conclusion: natural colon cleansing can be an effective way to enhance your digestive health and promote overall wellness. By incorporating these 9 home remedies into your daily routine, you can support your colon's health and improve your body's ability to eliminate waste. Remember that it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes or starting new supplements, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. With patience and consistency, you can achieve a cleaner, healthier colon and enjoy the benefits of improved digestion and vitality.